Good morning, treasurers. This is your host, Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 30th June 2021, the end of first quarter FY22. In the international market, treasury yields were flat as investors focus on employment data due on Friday. US 10-year closed flat at 149 and 30-year also flat at 210 on Tuesday. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $75.12 per barrel. Short-term range for crude is 74 to 77. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 92.02. It has crossed 92 levels now. DXY's today's range seems to be 91.60 to 92.46. DXY will be range bound until Friday's employment data. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is at 646. USD INR with a high of 74.28 closed at 74.23. USD INR's range seems to be 74.05 to 74.35. USD INR once again failed to break 74.30 intraday. For USD INR to cross 74.50 and march higher, we need two consecutive closes above 74.35. Watch out, US non-farm payrolls on Friday, which will give the new direction to the market. In the domestic market, buying the dip was seen in yesterday's GSEC market as a value buy strategy. 585-2030 closed at 604 versus 606 the previous trading day. 563-2026 closed at 568 versus 573 the previous trading day. Now let's talk about yesterday, which is 29th June 2021 SDL auction cutoff analysis. Rajasthan 5-year cutoff came at 624. West Bengal 7-year at 679. I repeat, West Bengal 7-year at 679. And hence we keep on saying that the 6 to 8-year maturity are the perfect places to bet. In the 10-year maturities, Gujarat at 688, Maharashtra at 689, Rajasthan at 691, Uttarakhand and UP at 694, Punjab at 695, Goa at 696 and Manipur at 7. Do you know that Knight research team had correctly identified 690 levels for SDLs in the very same podcast yesterday morning? Now, what do we read from the cutoffs data? Number 1, the quarter end demand for SDL was less and traders did tail bidding. Number 2, structurally the yields have increased by 5 basis points. Number 3, the SDL yields are bound to rise slowly in the next quarter and thereafter in the subsequent 2 quarters rapidly. Knight research team expects 10-year SDLs at 7 to 710 by September end and 730 by March end. Now let's talk about the trading strategy. That 664-2035 is now at 672 from 675 and 563-2026 is at 569 from 573. Few of our clients did take overnight positions and we made 2 to 4 basis points on those trades. Now, we are asking them to square off the positions and book profits as fiscal data is due today, which may spoil the mood tomorrow. Friday's 526 GS 2026 and 664-2035 auctions will give opportunity to buy for GSEP 2.0 trade. Watch out, fiscal data today after market hours. Trading range for 585-2030 will be 601 to 605. That's it for today. You are listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.